Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, we're breaking down one of the most important decisions every landlord faces, knowing when to repair and when to replace. The right choice can directly impact your profitability, tenant satisfaction, and long-term property value. At first, repairing a broken item often feels like the cheaper option. But in reality, those decisions can have lasting financial consequences. In a competitive rental market like Salt Lake City, tenants expect reliable, well-maintained homes. When issues keep coming back, it doesn't just affect costs, it affects trust and retention. A single repair might seem minor, but repeated fixes quickly add up. Older appliances and systems tend to break down more often, leading to ongoing service calls and increasing expenses over time. Beyond the cost itself, there's also the time spent coordinating vendors and communicating with tenants. When problems become repetitive, they turn into operational inefficiencies that drain both time and money. Before choosing between repair and replacement, several factors should be evaluated. The age of the item is critical. If it's near the end of its expected lifespan, replacement often makes more sense. Another factor is cost comparison. If repairs are approaching a significant portion of replacement value, upgrading is usually the smarter move. Energy efficiency also plays a role since newer systems often lower utility costs and improve tenant appeal. Safety and reliability should never be overlooked, as outdated systems can increase risk and liability. While repairs may temporarily solve an issue, replacements create long-term satisfaction. A new appliance or updated system signals that the property is well cared for, which improves tenant confidence. Reliable homes lead to longer tenancies, fewer turnovers, and reduced vacancy periods. In many cases, a timely replacement pays for itself by preventing tenant dissatisfaction and avoiding costly move-outs. One of the smartest strategies landlords can use is proactive planning. Waiting for a total breakdown often leads to rushed decisions and higher emergency costs. By tracking the condition and age of major systems like HVAC units, appliances, and water heaters, landlords can plan replacements in advance. This creates financial control instead of reactive spending. Not all maintenance decisions are the same. Some repairs simply maintain the current condition of the property, while others act as upgrades that increase long-term value. Understanding the difference helps landlords make better financial decisions and keep their properties competitive without overspending. Ultimately, successful property management is about balance, knowing when to invest and when to repair. Relying too heavily on short-term fixes can lead to higher costs over time, while smart replacements protect both performance and profitability. For landlords who want to take the guesswork out of maintenance decisions, Wolf Nest provides the experience, systems, and proactive approach needed to make the right call at the right time, helping protect property value, reduce unnecessary expenses, and keep investments performing at their best.